Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today we are diving into the basics of whole food plant-based diets. A whole food plant-based diet focuses on minimally processed foods from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Whole food like my broccoli here. Eating a variety of these foods is key. Aim for at least 30 different plant-based foods each week to get all of the essential vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients that your body needs. A plant-based diet can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and many cancers. They also support better digestion, weight management, and lower blood pressure. So today's challenge is to set an intention to make one plant-based meal next week, maybe Monday for Meatless Monday. This gives you the weekend to plan and shop for your ingredients. A key tip is to involve your family and find a community for support. Together, we can make this transition easier and more enjoyable. See you tomorrow for day 4.